Beauties of Japan, Top Hotels, Part 1. Suiran, a luxury collection hotel, Kyoto. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Suiran, a luxury collection hotel, in Kyoto. Situated right along the gentle streams of the Katsura River and boasting a beautiful Japanese garden, Suiran, a luxury collection hotel, Kyoto offers the perfect getaway for travelers seeking peace and quiet. This upscale accommodation is located just a 15-minute stroll from JR Saga Arashiyama Station, and a 3-minute stroll from Tenryuji Temple, which is registered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Each room is furnished with a flat-screen TV, an electric kettle, a refrigerator, and a seating area with a sofa. All rooms include a private bathroom equipped with a bath, a shower, and free toiletries. Slippers and bathrobes are also available for your comfort. Guests can relax at the spa, purchase souvenirs at the gift shop, or soak in the private open-air bath. A fusion of Japanese kaiseki, traditional multi-course, meal and French cuisine are served for breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the on-site restaurant, Kyo Suiran. Tea and coffee can be enjoyed at Café Hasway. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, and subscribe to my channel, so you can see more content like it in the future.